Hey guys, it's your girl Kimberly. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm filming in the bathroom because I'm going to be trying. I have a review actually. This is the first time that I use this. It's called the electric facial. I've never tried it, and I'm super excited. That's why I'm filming in the bathroom. If you guys hear noises, just ignore that. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this. It's the first time that I use it. So let's open it, shall we? So look at this. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. It's what it looks like. So it has the machine, the little scrubbing machine, and it has sponge. And it has so you can't stand it up and leave it like in your bathroom. You're gonna use it. So I'm gonna put this over here because we don't need that. And I'm not gonna be using the sponge right now. What I'm gonna be using is this little bristles going on, and it has for the on and off button. And so I'm gonna try it, but I need batteries, so I forgot to get that, so I'll be like right back. Okay, I'm back. So I got the batteries. They're the double A's, I think. So I'm gonna, that's how it sounds. Yeah. So I'm gonna, for cleaning my face, I'm gonna be using the Jaffa. This is the gentle exfoliating scrub. So I'm going to be using that. And I'm going to be using just towel. So I'm going to take my glasses off. And I'm just going to wash my face a little bit. And I'm going to be adding this. Can see what I'm doing. I'm just adding it to my face, and there we go. Just make sure when you add, you can use any face cleanser you have at your house. So I'm gonna be using this now. Ooh, let me wet it a little bit. Okay. So now that we're done, that's what my face looks like, and I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it off. Ooh, now I gotta say, oh my goodness. So I gotta say, my skin feels really soft with this. I've never tried one of these, and I'm gonna be trying the sponge, but that's gonna be in another video. But yeah, my skin feels really soft. It feels like really good. I love this. This is awesome thing ever. I've never had one. I've never tried one. I looked at videos, and people have like the proactive one and other stuff, but I really like this one. This is really awesome. I love it. And I love how you can just put it in your bathroom and you're good to go. It just looks completely awesome. I love this. This is a really good product. I like it. It leaves your skin really soft, really nice. I love it. So yeah, I'll give it a big fat A plus. So I like it. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this review of the brushing. And it's called the Acevivi or something like that. So I love it. It's awesome. And I hope you guys love this video. And I also made a brand new channel. It's all about gaming. I play The Sims there. I show you how to open a resort and all the other good stuff that I love to play. I also play The Sims 4 there. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll put my other video in the description box. You guys can check it out. Subscribe to this channel and subscribe to the other channel. It's all about The Sims. If you guys love playing The Sims like I do, I love playing The Sims. It's the best. Oh, now I can see. If you guys love playing The Sims, it is the best thing ever. So I made that channel. So don't forget to subscribe to that channel also. And yeah, I hope you guys like this. Put a big thumbs up in this video if you guys enjoy this, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my gaming channel. Go check it out. It's pretty awesome. And subscribe to that channel also. And I will see you guys next time with another review. If you guys like reviews, just let me know in the comments below what do you want to see next, and I will love to do reviews. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.